Good afternoon, everyone. Okay, we'll start solving questions. Please try question number. Are you able to see the question? Question number 9. Please try question number 9. अलगोल वाले बच्चे हैं नहीं शायद. Okay. Question number 9. In a school of how many? 500 students. 102 students can read Hindi. You don't have to write the question. Directly solve the question. Yes.
402.
See, very easy. Question number 9. How many students are there? 500. Hindi and Tamil. How many students can speak? 102 students. 200 students can read only Hindi. So can we draw the Venn diagram? We are supposed to find out the students who can read only Tamil. Very easy. Suppose this Hindi, this is Tamil. Okay. So how many students are there who speak both the languages? Tell me. 200? Yes or no? Or 102?
102.
Sorry. 102. Yes or no? 102. And 200 students can read only Hindi. So it means here 200 is going to come. Yes or no? And now we are supposed to find out the students who can read only Tamil. Tell me.
It will be 200 minus 102.
No.
Yeah, the only.
Yes. Only, see, this reason denotes only Hindi. Yes or no? I mean the students who can speak only Hindi.
So you are taking off that much.
If only is not there, then we had to just subtract 102 from 200. Yes or no? If only was not there. Yes or no? So the students who can speak Hindi only, that would be 200. So 200 will come there. Yes or no? Now tell me. 302 here, and the total students are 500. So 500. And now we are supposed to find out the students who can read only Tamil. Now tell me. So 302 we have got. So 198, but there is no option, right?
Sir, we can directly use the formula.
Which formula?
NA
Not
plus NB
see.
minus
So in this question, see, 102 students can read Hindi and Tamil both. So 102 will come. Yes or no? Now they have said 200 students can read only Hindi. What it means? It means, see, 200 will come there. I mean, will go there. Yes or no? I mean, the first section, there are three sections, right? The first section denotes only Hindi. The second one, both Hindi and Tamil. And the third one,
only Tamil.
only Tamil. Yes or no? So only Tamil, the total is 500. So we need to subtract 200 plus 102, that is 302 from 500, which is 198, I guess, right? 190.
It's not there.
So something is wrong in the question. Then otherwise, see, if only is not there, suppose only is not there,
Then 402.
then 402 will come. 40 or what?
402 only.
See, if only is not there, then how can we solve it?
200 minus 1.
This is H, this is T, then this is 102, and here
98.
98. Yes or no?
Yes.
Now, the total.
500.
So this is nothing but 200. So we are left with 300 only. Yes or no? 102 plus 98 is 200. 500 minus 200 is 300. So 300. In that case, 300 would be. Yes or no? So 300 would have been the right answer if only is not there. Yes or no? So according to the options, tell me, only should not be there, then you will get 300. I hope it is clear now. Understood? So you must understand the reason. The first reason denotes only A, and the second reason A and B, and the third reason only B. Understood? Okay.
Yes.
Please try question number 10. 10 we have already done. Now please try question number 12. Yes. Question number 12. What is the question? A man went to the Reserve Bank of India with rupees 2000. He asked the cashier to give him rupees 10 and rupees 20 notes. Only in return, the man got 150 notes in all. How many notes of rupees 10 did he receive? How can we solve it? Please try. Yes. See, let the number of let the number of notes of rupees 10 be x and number of notes of rupees 20 be y. So can I say x plus y is equal to 150, as he received how many? 150 notes. And at the same time, the total should be 2000. So can I say 10x plus 20y is equal to 1? Yes, 2000. Yes or no? So two equation, two variables. Understood? So this becomes x plus 2y is equal to, tell me, 200. Yes or no? Now subtract the first one from the second one, you'll get y. Y is 50, I guess. Yes or no? Y is 50 and x should be 100. So what is he asking? See, how many notes of rupees 10? X, right? So answer is 100. So which option is correct? A option. Understood?
X is 100.
Yeah. Shall we move ahead? Please try question. Okay. This one also we have already covered. I mean the 13th one. Now next 14th.
We have done.
And this one 15th, please try. Question number 15. P and Q and R. These are the three consecutive odd numbers in ascending order. If the value of 3 times of P, 3 times P is 3 less than 2 times R, find the value of R. Very easy. Similar question we have solved yesterday also. Yes or no? Can we assume three numbers x, x plus 2, x plus 4? Yes or no?
Odd change. Odd number.
So x is odd, so x plus 2 will be odd, x plus 4 will be odd. X is odd. Yes, but x is odd, so x plus 2 will be odd. Odd plus even is odd.
X plus 2 and x plus
Yes.
4.
Yes. And x is odd. So x plus 2 is also odd.
Even numbers, then x
will be even. So x plus 2 will be even.
X plus 4. Same numbers.
Yes. But in that question, x was even. Here, x will be odd.
Yes. Now if we, I got it.
Yes. Tell me. Question number 15. Shall we solve? See, let P be, or what we can do, one number is P and the other number is, tell me, Q and R. So I can assume P is equal to X, Q is equal to X plus 2 and R is X plus 4. Yes or no? Yeah. Since X is an odd number, so X plus 2 will be also an odd number. Yes or no? It does not depend only upon 2. You are seeing 2 and 4. Yes or no? But see, X is odd, so odd plus even is odd. Okay. So what is there in the question? If the value of 3 times of P, which is 3x, very good, is 3 less than 2 times of 3 less than means minus 3. Yes or no? Or plus 3. Plus 3. Yes or no? Is equal to. Since it is less, right? Since it is less. So we need to add. Or what we can do, on the right hand side, we can write minus 3. Are you getting or not? 3x is equal to, 3x is equal to, see, 3 less than means 2 times of R. So we have to write 2 times of R and minus 3. So what is the difference between 3x and 2R? I mean, what is the value of R? In place of R, I can directly write x plus 4. Yes or no? So which one is greater? R is great. I mean, 2 times R is greater. So we need to subtract there. Or we can add 3x. Yes or no? We can add 3. We can add 3 and 3x. Yes or no? So tell me, very easy now. 3x is equal to, tell me, 2x plus 8 minus 3. So x is equal to 5. And they are asking the value of R. But 5 is not the right answer. It is there in the option A. Yes or no? So R is what? X plus 4. Answer is 9. I hope it is clear. Shall we move ahead? Okay. Question number 16. Please try. Question number 16. Yes. Question number 16. The sum of all natural numbers from 200 to 600, both inclusive, which are neither divisible by 8 nor by 12. The calcium of 8 and 12. Why? See, can we find the total numbers from 200 to 600, which are divisible by either 8 or 12? And then we can subtract from the total number of numbers. Yes or no? Can we do that? Yes or no? Yes or no? So how many numbers are there which are divisible by 8 from 200 to 600? Let A is the set which has the numbers which are divisible by 8 from 200 to 600, right? So tell me, 600 is divisible by 8? Yes or no? 600 is divisible by 8? Yes.
Yes.
See, 600 can be written as 6 into 10 into 10. 10, 10, 6. All three numbers are divisible by 2. So I can directly say this is divisible by. Similarly, 200 is also divisible by 8. So from 200 to 600, how many numbers are there from 200 to 600?
400.
401.
We will include
Both of them. Yes or no?
Yes.
So I hope it is clear. So total numbers are 401. Now, if I exclude, so total numbers. So can I say T is equal to, for example, T is equal to 401. This is total. Okay. Now, we are supposed to find out the numbers which are divisible by 8. So if I exclude 200, how many numbers will be there? 400.
Yes.
If I exclude 200, how many numbers will be there? 400. And in 400 numbers, how many numbers will be divisible by 8? We have to divide it by 8. So 400 divided by 8 is 50. 50. So n of A is equal to 51. Yes or no? Why 51? Because now we have to add 200 also. It is clear? Now tell me, n of B. B is the set which contains, tell me, the numbers which are exactly divisible by 12. Now tell me, whether 12 is divisible by 600, 600 is divisible by 12 or not? Yes? Okay. And what about 200? No. Yes or no?
No.
Yes or no? So how many numbers are there? 401. So we need to divide 401 by 12 in order to get the number of numbers which are divisible by 12. So divide 400 or 401 by 12. 401 total numbers. Yes or no? Total numbers are, how many numbers are there? 401. And we need to find out the numbers which are divisible by 8 and 12. In B set, how many, which numbers are there which are divisible by 12? So we need to divide by 12, right? Yes or no? Okay. Just tell me which is the first number which is completely divisible by 12 after 200. For that, what we need to do? We need to just divide 200 by 12. Whatever the remainder you get, you need to subtract that from 12, and then the resultant should be added to 200. Yes or no? So divide 200 by 12. Two zero four, right?
208.
204. See, for any number to be divisible by 12, it has to be divisible by 3 as well, or 6 as well, and 4 as well. 204. Yes or no? So see, 204 is the first number, and the last number is 600 is divisible by 12 or not? Yes. Yes or no? 600 is divisible by 12 or not?
600 also.
Okay, so the last number would be, the next number would be, tell me, 216? And the last number would be 600.
600.
This is NAP. Now find the number of terms. Find the number of terms. Direct formula. N is equal to L minus A over D plus 1. Direct sector. Yes or no? Now what is L minus A? Tell me. 600 minus 204. That is 396. 396 upon 12. That is, N is equal to 396. 396 upon 12.
Plus 1. 34.
Plus 1. 34. So NB is 34. Yes or no? Is it clear?
Yeah.
Now, we have got NA and NB. We need to find out NA intersection B now. It means the numbers which are divisible by both 12 and 8. What is LCM of 12 and 8?
It is 24.
24. Now, divide, first we need to find out the number which is divisible by 24, the first number after 200. Yes or no? And then we have to form an AP. And then again, we need to find out the number of terms. Yes or no? Then we need to find out N of A union B. Yes or no? And after that, we need to subtract N of A union B from total in order to get the final answer. Understood? So what is the first number after 200 which is completely divisible by 24? Just divide 200 by 24.
24.
Whatever the remainder you get, again you need to subtract it from 24, and then we need to add it to the 200. Do you know the table of 24?
8 is the remainder.
See, 24 into 8 is 192. 8 is the remainder. So we need to subtract, add 16 more. See, 8 is the remainder, right? 8 is extra we are getting. Yes or no? So in order to get a remainder 0, we have to add 16 more. So that remainder becomes 0. Yes or no? So 216 is the first number which will be divisible, completely divisible by.
Yes.
Understood? Yes. So now, see, for N of A intersection B, the first number would be, tell me, 216. Yes or no? 216. And the next one would be 240. Yes or no? Now tell me. The last number is 600. 600 is divisible by 24 or not?
Yeah.
24 to the 48.
14.
And remainder is 12, 120, 24 into 5. Correct. So 600 is the number which is divisible by 24.
24.
Okay.
Yes.
Now we need to find the total number of terms. So N is equal to, tell me, L minus A divided by D plus 1. Which is 600 and 600 minus 216. 384 divided by
24.
24 plus 1.
24.
24 ones are 24.
24. So, and 4.
24 into 6, 144. And 16 plus 1?
It is
17.
16. And
Plus
plus
1,
1, 17.
So this is 7. Yes or no? Now we have got the total number of numbers which are divisible by, tell me,
12.
the total number of numbers which are divisible by 8 only. That is
Then
51. And then the total
12
number of
only.
numbers which are divisible by 12 only.
So,
Not only 12 only. So we have to write 34 N of B. And now this is nothing but number of numbers which are divisible by both 17. So we have to find out the numbers which are divisible by either 12 or 8. And then we need to subtract from total in order to get the number of numbers from 200 to 600 which are neither divisible by 8 nor 12. Yes or no? So tell me, N of A union B is equal to, what is the formula? N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. Yes or no? Now tell me, what is N of A? 50?
51.
51. What is N of B? N of B is 34. 34. And what is N of A intersection? 70. So it is some 68.
68.
Yes or no? So N of A union B is 68. So you need to subtract 68 from 68 from tell me 68 from 401. So the total number of numbers. Now we are see, we have not got the answer yet. See why? Because they need sum. Now just try. How can we solve it? Now this is nothing but we have got the total number of numbers which are neither divisible by 8 nor by 12. So 401 minus, tell me, 68. Yes or no? Is equal to how many? Tell me.
3,
300 and
3, 3.
correct. Understood. And now we need sum. So what we need to do in order to get the sum of numbers which are neither divisible by 8 nor 12, we need to find out total sum minus the numbers which are divisible by 8 or 12. Understood? So that is the question. I mean, where we have found out the number of numbers which are neither divisible by 8 nor 12. Understood? Now try. The sum which are divisible by, I mean, which are neither divisible by 8 nor 12. Yes.
Yes.
See, S401. S401 is the total sum. So that is, tell me.
68 by 2. Right.
That is 200 plus 201 dot so on till, tell me, 600. Yes or no? Now, let me write S1. S1 is the number which are divisible by, I mean the sum of the numbers which are divisible by 8 only. So the first number is 200 plus, tell me, 208 plus dot so on till 600. That is nothing but number of numbers that we have got. We need to find out sum. Yes.
Please subtract the sum of that AP from the totals.
But we need that AP for to be subtracted, right? So the final AP is there. I mean the total numbers from 200 to 600. But we need to form an AP which are divisible by 8 only. I mean 8 and 12, and then we should have one more AP which will have the numbers which are divisible by both 8 and 12. See, the S2 is, yes, S2 is the sum of the numbers which are divisible by 12. The first number was, tell me, what was the first number? 204.
4.
Okay. 204. And then plus 20, not 20, plus we need to add 12, 216.
216.
Dot so on.
Till 600.
600 is divisible by 12.
Yeah.
Okay. Now S3. S3 will have the first number, tell me the.
So 24.
The first number was 216, then 240. And the last number was
6.
600 is divisible by 24. So the last number is 600. 600 is divisible by 12, 8 and 24. This one. Okay. Now the answer is equal to S401 minus, tell me, S1 plus S2 minus S3. That will be the final answer. So we need to find out S1,
then S2,
then S3, and then we need to subtract it from the total. So we need to apply the formula of Sn of an AP 4 times, and then we need to find out the final answer. Understood?
Yes.
Shall we move ahead? Okay, next question. Please try to solve question number 17. X is 16 raised to 3, 17 plus 17 raised to 3, or we can say 16 cube plus 17 cube plus 18 cube plus 19 cube. X is divided by 70 leaves a remainder of, what is the remainder? Very easy. Concept of remainder. Basic 30 topics. Tell me, very easy. Yes. Have you got the answer? See, always remember question number 17. A to the power, suppose n plus b to the power n will be a multiple of a plus b if n is an odd number. This is the rule. A cube plus b cube, a plus b, a raised to 5. See, what is a cube plus b cube? A plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. What is a cube minus b cube? Please observe. A plus b will increase the power. Now tell me, a square plus ab plus b square. Yes or no? Now, what is a raised to 5 plus b raised to 5? Just tell me. A raised to 5 plus b raised to 5. A plus b, c. What is the degree here? 3. Here in the first formula, 3. So we have removed one power. Yes or no? So now we have to start with 2. To the power 4. 2. No. Just subtract 1 from 3. You'll get 2. So a square. Now decrease the power of a and increase the power of b and put alternate plus minus. So tell me, a raised to 4 minus a cube b. It will be plus. Alternate plus minus. First positive and then negative. Then tell me, plus a square b square. Very good. Minus ab cube. And plus b raised to 4. B raised to 4. Now, if you simplify this, you'll get a raised to 5 plus b raised to 5. And now here, yes. Now here, tell me, a raised to 5 minus b raised to 5. Tell me, a minus b, a raised to 4. Plus. Now, see here. Here we don't have to put alternate plus minus. All will be positive. This, minus sign will taken care by the first factor. Yes or no? A minus b. Now tell me, a raised to 4 plus a cube b plus a square b square plus ab cube and plus b raised to 4. I hope it is clear. Now, if you see in this question, see here, question number 17. Power is odd and all are equal. Yes or no? Here, if you see, the factor would be, what is the factor here? 16 plus 17. Here, what would be the factor? 19. If you add all of them, that becomes 70. Yes or no? If you add 16 plus 17 plus 18 plus 19, that is nothing but 70. 16 plus 17, tell me. 16 plus 17 is 33. And 18 plus 19, 37. If you add all of them, it becomes 70. As the sum is 70, that would be the factor of all of them. Yes or no? That is x. So x would be the multiple of 70. So if you divide it by 70, the remainder would be 0. So answer is 0. I hope it is clear. Please write down this. So answer for this question would be,
N is even.
for that you have to have minus sign in between a raised to n and b raised to n.
Same thing will apply.
Yes. For that a minus b and a plus b both will be the factor. Because a square minus b square is what?
A plus B A minus.
A raised to 4 and minus a raised to 4 minus b raised to 4 will also have a plus b a minus b as factors. Yes or no? So if power is even, so minus should be there. Yes or no? And in that case, both the factors will be there. A plus b and a minus b. Please write it down there. Very easy. I hope you understood. Yes or no? A raised to n and a raised to n plus b raised to n. If n is odd, there will not be any factor. Yes or no? A raised to n plus b raised to n. A square plus b square will not have any factor. A square plus b square. There is no factor of a square plus b square. Yes. So a raised to n minus b raised to n, tell me, will have a plus b and a minus b as factors if n is an even number. Understood? Yes or no? Now the next question. Please try to solve question number 18 now.
Which one?
18. Tell me. How can we solve it? Very easy. Last two digits of 7 raised to 2008. Question number 18. Very easy. 7 raised to, we need to find out the last two digits of 7 raised to 208. Yes or no? Now, would you just tell me what is 101 square? 101 square. हाँ बोलो ना, देख के कैलकुलेटर से बोलो बोलो. Yes, 101 square.
201.
10?
201.
0. What is 101 cube?
103.
10?
30.
30?
301.
301.
Oh,
Did you observe one thing? 01. If 01 is there at at the end of any number, doesn't matter what is there in the power, the last two digits will be 01. Now, but here we don't have any 01, but we know one number, I mean the power of 7, which has 01 at the end. That is 7 raised to 4. 49 square. Yes or no? What is 7 raised to 4?
49 square.
49 square. That is 20. I mean 2401. 2401. So 7 to the power 2008 can be written as 7 raised to 4 to the power, tell me again, 4 5 are 20, 4 2 are 8. Yes or no? That is nothing but 2401 to the power 502.
Which is 0 on the last.
Yes, so answer is 01 only. So please remember it. I hope it is clear. Yes or no? Okay. Please note it down. Yes. Question number 19 now. Question number 19. Tell me. What is the value of x in the following equation? Which is x to the power 0.4 divided by 16 is equal to 32 plus x to the power 2.6. Can I write x to the power 0.4 as 2 by 5?
Yes.
Divided by 16 is equal to 32 plus x square into x to the power 3 by 5. Yes or no? Now tell me. Let me check the question. I think the second sign is division. Just a second. Yes, it is not plus. It is division only. So can I write? Tell me 32 by x to the power 13 by 5. Yes or no? Now what we can do? You can just cross multiply. Very easy. So power will be added. What is 13 by 5 plus 2 by 5? That is 3. So that is equal to, what is 16 into 32? 2 raised to 9. X is equal to 2 cube. 8 is the right. We could have gone by the options as well. Yes or no? Yes or no? Answer is 8. Is there any doubt? Yes or no? So what is the right answer? Answer is 8. Please try to solve question number 20. Very easy. And these are the questions which have already come in the previous year papers. Yes or no? CLAT paper. As you can see, very easy. Please try question number 20. Question number 20. How can we simplify it? 0.333 whole cube divided by 0.111. Take 3 common. Very easy. Yes. So I can write 3 cube will come out. Yes or no? Let me write the question first. What is the question? 0.333 whole cube divided by 0.111 whole square minus 0.222 whole power 4 divided by 0.111 whole cube. Yes or no? Yes or no? No, that is equal to, can I write 3 cube into 0.111 whole cube divided by 0.111 whole square minus, I can take 2 raised to 4 out. Now here you'll get 0.111 power 4 divided by 0.111 power 3. Yes or no? So this is nothing but 27. This will get cancelled. Yes or no? This one and this one. Here, this one and this one. So 27 into 0.111 minus 16 into 0.111. I can take 0.111 common, and here we are left with 27 minus 16, which is 11. 0.111 into 11, which will give you, tell me, 11 into 1, 11, 12, again 12, and then 1. Yes or no? 1.221. 1.221. Which one is the right answer? B. I hope it is clear. Yes or no? So B is the right answer. Is there any doubt? Answer is 1.221. Please copy. Done. So please try to solve question number 21 now. Yes. Huh. Yes. Question number 21. Please try. A group of 630 children is arranged in rows for a group photograph session. Each row contains 3 fewer children than the row in front of it.
Which one?
21. What number of rows is not possible?
What number of rows?
Yes. Question number 21. 4. How come? Tukka. See, let us assume in the first row there are x number of children. And in the next row, x minus 3, x minus 6, so on. Suppose number of rows be n, up to n terms. Up to n terms. Now we need to, see, Sn is nothing but, it is already given, 630. First term is x. Common difference is minus 3. Sn we already know. And now we need to find out the value of n which is not possible. So apply the formula. Tell me. 630 is equal to n by 2 into 2a, which is 2x, plus n minus 1 into minus 3. Yes or no? Now, so 630 is equal to n by 2 into 2x minus 3n plus 3. Yes or no? Which is n by 2 into 630 I cannot solve. Now, tell me. Please try. Go with the options. See, put the value of n. Suppose n is equal to 3. Let us take n is equal to 3. So what you will get? 630 is equal to 3 by 2 into, tell me, 2x minus
3 to 9.
minus 9
6.
minus 9 plus 3, which is 3 by 2 into
26.
2x minus 6, which is quite possible. Yes or no?
Yes.
Now, similarly, please check for 4, 5, and 6. You'll get the answer. Yes. So if you put 4, what you'll get? 4 3 ja 4 3 ja
12. Minus 12 plus 3.
minus 12 plus 3 is minus 9.
Minus 9.
So we'll get 2x minus
9. Into
9.
2.
2x minus 9. Yes or no? And divided here, 4 by 2 is there.
2.
2. So it is also possible. Yes or no? Now let us take 5. So 5 by 2 will be there. Now we have to put n is equal to 5 3 is 15 minus 15 plus 3 is minus 12. And we have got 5 by 12. We have got 5 by 12. This is also possible. So answer could be either 5 or 6. So just check for 5 one more time. Just try to put the value of n. Yes. So 5, for 5 it is also, we don't have any problem. So answer would be 6. Shall we move to the next question? So we have to check for basically divisibility test. Yes or no? Now, please try question number 22. This is very easy. One of the shortcuts. Yes or no? Power of 11. Or not power of 111. I mean square of 111. Tell me, very easy. 22 direct shortcut we can use. What is 11 square? 1 to 1. What is 111 square? 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. What is 111 whole square? 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. So we have to start from 1 and we have to go till the number of ones. Yes or no? So how many ones are there? 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. So here if you see, we have got number which is, tell me, n square is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then again 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes or no? So how many ones we need?
9.
So n is equal to, tell me.
Cesium.
So 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry. N is equal to 111. How many times? 9 times. I hope it is clear.
Yes.
So which option is correct?
C.
Please count the number of ones carefully. Yes or no? Yes or no? So C is the right answer, I guess.
Yes.
See, that is how we can count. 3, 3 plus 3 plus 3. Yes or no? 9 ones are there. Okay, next one. Please try to solve question number 23.
Yep.
Okay. Please try to solve question number 24. 24. Number of students who have opted for the subject A, B, C are 60, 84, and 108 respectively. The examination is to be conducted for those students such that only the students of the same subject are allowed in one room. Also, the number of students in each room must be same. What is the minimum number of rooms that should be arranged to meet all these conditions?
Must be same way. Number 7.
A, B, C. These are the three subjects. For A, how many students? 60, 84, and 108. Okay. The examination is to be conducted for these students such that only the students of the same subject are allowed in one room. So three subjects. Okay. Next. Also, the number of students in each room must be same. In the minimum number of rooms that should be arranged to meet all these conditions.
12.
See, how many students are there? How many students are there? 12 plus 84. Total number of students
Is 242. No,
108.
252. 252.
60 plus 80, 140, 144, 152, 252. Yes or no? Total 252. Okay. Now, for that, what we need to do? We need to find out HCF. So, what is HCF of 60, 84, and 108? HCF. HCF of 60, 84, and 108 is 12. Yes or no? Now we have to divide the total number of students of section A in 5 equal parts. 12 into 12 in, I mean 12 into 5. 12, 12, 12, 5 times. Yes or no? So for A section, tell me, for A subject, how many sections will be there? 5. For B, 7. For C, 9. Add all of them. So these are the rooms that will be needed. Yes or no? Number of rooms.
5, 7, 9.
See, HCF is 12. Why we need HCF? Because we have to divide the number of students of every subject equally. That is why we need HCF. Yes or no? And in every room, so we need to find out the number or the largest number so that the number of rooms required be less. Yes or no? Yes or no? So we need to find out HCF, the highest number which is common to all of them. Yes or no? Which is the factor of all of them. So that is 12. Now we have to divide each group equally, which is 12 students. Yes or no? So 12 into 5. For A subject, we need how many rooms? 5.
5.
For B subject, how many? 7. For C subject, how many? 9. So 5 plus 7 is 12. 12 plus 9 is 21. So answer is 21. What was your answer? 21? 12. Answer is HCF is 12. So 12 is the number of students which will be there in each room. Understood? So answer is 12. Very good question. I hope it is clear. LCM and HCF. Application of LCM and HCF. Real applications. Understood? Shall we move ahead? Okay. Next. Question number 25, right? Okay, 25. Please try. Is it clear? A piece of string is 40 centimeters long. It is cut into 3 pieces. The longest piece is 3 times as long as middle sized. And the shortest piece is 23 centimeters shorter than the longest piece. Find the length of the shortest. Again, very easy. Logic. क्या बोल रहे हैं इतना मैथ्स आता तो इधर होते Tell me 25 very easy. A piece of string is, I mean the total sum should be 40 centimeter, isn't it?
How many questions come in CLAT of maths?
25 to 30 I guess. I don't know.
And how much marks?
That I don't know also. Good afternoon everyone. Good afternoon. Tell me question number 25. Please try. Yes. So the total length is 40 centimeter. Yes or no? It is cut into 3 pieces. The longest is 3 times as long as middle sized. And the shortest piece is 23 centimeters shorter than the longest piece. See, so very easy. Suppose the middle one is x. So the longest would be 3x. So the shortest would be 3x minus 23. Simple. Add all of them and just equate to, yes, 40. So you'll get the value of x. Very easy. That is equal to, tell me, 40. Yes or no? So 7x is equal to 63. So x is equal to 9. Let the middle one be x centimeters. So the longest would be 3x and the shortest would be 23 less than that of the longest one. So 23, 3x minus 23 plus x plus 3x is equal to 40. So x is equal to 9 and the shortest, find the length of the shortest piece. So 27 minus 23, that is 4. Answer is 4. So C is the right answer. Yes, online students, have you understood? Answer is 4. Shall we move ahead? Yes or no? And
Yes, sir.
the longest would be 27 and the middle one would be 9. 27 plus 9, 36 plus 4, 40. Verified. Shall we move ahead? Question number 26. Please try. Please try. Very easy. Yes. Have you understood the question? See. Shall I solve it? See. Let the fixed expenses, let the fixed expense be x rupees. 26. Let the fixed expense be rupees x and the variable expense be rupees y. Rupees y. Yes. Now see. What is the total expense? What is the total expense when the number of borders are 25? For 25, so can I say x plus how many borders are there? 25. So 25, x is the fixed amount that they will take. Yes or no? So 25 into y. And y is the variable one. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
X is the fixed amount that will be taken. So due to 25 orders, we have to add 25 into y. And that is equal to, can I say, tell me, 25 into 700. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
No, no. See, the average expense per border is 700 when there are how many? 25 borders. So 25 into 700. Is it clear? Now, similarly, can I write x plus the next one is, tell me, 50 borders. Yes or no? So 50 into y is equal to, tell me, 50 into 600. Yes or no? I
Not
cannot
getting
directly
it.
say yes.
Not getting it.
See, there is a fixed expense that has to be taken always. That is fixed amount will be taken, and then the other expense is variable one, which totally depends upon the number of orders that are there. Yes or no? So in the first condition, if you see how many borders are there, 25. Yes or no? So x is the fixed amount, so x plus 25 into y. Yes or no? That is the total amount. And that is equal to 25 into 700, because that is 700 is an average expense. Yes or no? Per border. Yes or no? So we have to multiply. Yeah, because how many borders we have purchased, or we can say 25. Similarly, the second condition you understood. Yes or no? Now what we need to do? Simultaneously we need to solve. So you'll get the value of x and y, and then we need to find out the value of x plus 100y. Yes or no?
X is nothing but a what?
X is the fixed amount that will be taken. Or you can say registration fees. Yes or no? The fixed amount that will be taken. And then according to the number of borders that will be there, the variable charge will be there according to the number of borders. Yes or no? So please try to find out x and y. And then we have to find out the value of x plus, tell me, x plus 100y upon 100, because average expense we need to find out. I hope it is clear. Yes, online students, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Please try to solve this equation. So we need to just subtract the equation 1 from 2. You'll get 25y. Yes or no? That is equal to, tell me. Can I take 25 common? So here you'll get 1200. This one. And here you'll get 700.
Yes.
So 25 and 25 will get. Y is nothing but 500. Now put the value of y in the first equation. So x plus 25 into 500. Yes or no? Is equal to 25 into 700. Yes or no? Now x will be, again I can take 25 common. 700 minus 500, that is 200. That is 25 into 2 is 50. 5,000.
550. 500.
5,000.
How come?
We can take 25 common. 700 into 700 minus 500 is 200. 25 into
5,000, right?
yes.
Oh.
So we have got the value of x as well. Yes or no?
Yes.
Now we need to find out the total expense, and then we need to find out average. So can we say we need to find out the value of, tell me, x plus 100y, because how many borders they have to buy now? I mean 12 borders. Yes or no? So 12 x plus 100, sorry, 100 borders. So 100 into y divided by 100 we need to find out. So just divide x by 100 is 5 plus y. What is the value of y? Sorry, what is x? X is 5,000. 5,000 by 100 is nothing but 50 plus 100 by 100 is y only. So y is 500. So answer is 550. A is the right. Very good question. I hope it is clear.
No, the last step is not clear.
See, we need to find out the average expense for 100 borders. Yes or no? So how many borders are there? 100. So we need to find out the value of x plus 100y. That will be the total expense. But we need average. So we need to divide it by the total number of borders that we are buying. That is divided by 100. Understood? The total expense when you buy 100 borders will be x plus 100y, because x is the fixed amount and y is the variable amount. Yes or no?
And where did 50 come from?
X by 100. So what is x? I've just substituted the value only. So 5,000 by 100 is 50. And then 100 by 100 will cancel out. You will get y, and y is 5. So 550 is the right answer. Yes, online students, have you understood? Very good question. Yes or no? Very easy. Now, please try to solve question number 27. Okay. Please try. Very easy. और हम लोग का भी नुकसान है, गलती से ADCI ने हकाला हमें। अच्छा, okay. Which question we were doing? Question number 27.
27.
So you can collect how many rubies? See, 4 crore. Each rupee is worth how many? 4 crore rupees. And the next one is 5 crore. And we need to find out the maximum. We have to find out the maximum wealth. Yes or no? Or what you should collect to get the maximum wealth. And the total amount, permissible weight is 12 kg.
Yes.
Tell me, very easy. 27. Have you understood the question? Question number 27. Yes, online students. Have you understood the question? So there are two items, R and B, suppose. And for each R, what is the cost? It is of rupees, tell me, 4 CR. Yes or no?
Yes.
And this is nothing but, tell me, rupees 5 CR. Yes or no? And now we need to see each ruby weighs how many? 0.3 kg. Yes or no? So we need to find out the cost of ruby per kg. What it would be, tell me. Yes. Each ruby costs how many? How many rupees? 4 crore. And the next one is 5 crore. Yes or no? And the weight of each ruby is 0.3 kg. And the next one, what is the weight? 0.4 kg. Okay, let me write. Weight of each ruby is 0.3 kg. And here
0.4.
0.4 kg. Yes or no?
Yes.
No. We need to find out the cost of each ruby per kg. For ruby per kg, what is the cost? What we need to do? What is 4 by 3? Tell me. What is 4 by 3? 1.33. Yes or no? What is 5 by 4? We need to divide, right? See, 0.3 kg costs 4 crore. So 1 kg will cost 4 by 0.3. So I'm just comparing. So that is why I have not written 0.3, or you can write 0.3 as well. Yes or no? Or 0.4. So this is nothing but, tell me.
1.25.
13.3. Yes or no? This is nothing but 13.3. Yes or no?
Yes.
And here, tell me.
2.5.
12.5. So which is costlier? Ruby, right? So we would like to take 4 kg of ruby only. 12 kg of ruby only in order to get the maximum profit. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
Now tell me, how many rubies we have to carry for that? Very easy. So 12 divided by 0. The permissible weight is 12 kg. So how many rubies we can carry? One ruby is of how many kg? 0.3 kg. So the number of rubies would be, tell me, 12 divided by 0.3. That is equal to 120 divided by 3. That is 40. So 40 rubies we have to carry in order to get the maximum wealth. Answer
Why
is
Okay. Okay.
because 12 kg is the permissible weight. Yes or no? So per kg cost is maximum for ruby. That is why we have to take all rubies. Yes or no? I hope it is clear. Shall we move ahead? Very easy. Yes, online students, have you understood? If the product of zeros of the polynomial, very easy it is. Find the value of a. This is the easiest one. 3 by 2. So this is a quadratic equation, minus 6 minus 6. Yes or no? Is equal to 0. Suppose alpha and beta. Alpha into beta is
C by
C by A, which is 4. Yes or no?
Yes.
So what is C here? Minus 6 by A. That is equal to 4.
4 minus
So A is equal to, tell me,
minus 3 by 2.
minus 3 by 2. Minus 3 by 2 is the right answer. C is the right answer.
Yes. Full.
I hope it is clear. 29. Two consecutive even positive integers, sum of the squares of which is 1060. Very easy. You can use the options as well. Or
Directly, yeah.
yes or no?
Yes.
Or traditionally, how can we solve? Two consecutive even numbers, x and x plus 2. So let the two consecutive numbers, even numbers be x and x plus 2. Then sum of the squares. So x square plus x plus 2 whole square, that is equal to 1006. What is 16 square? 256.
Yes.
What is 18 square? Very less. Yes or no?
Yes.
Now, what is 22 square?
484.
What is 24 square? 484 and 576. 6, 4, 10, 7, 8, 15, 6,
Yes.
4, 5, 9 plus 1, 10. C is the right answer. Go by the options. Yes or no? So answer is
C.
C. Shall we move to the next one? Please try question number 30. Sum of natural numbers from 1 to 100. So n into n plus 1 upon 2. 50, 50. Very easy. Next, question number 31. Now you need to try this one. Please try question number 31. 31. रीजनिंग कल करेंगे, कल 2 घंटे करेंगे और 1.5 घंटे रीजनिंग और घंटा मैथ्स. टेल मी, a man earns rupees 20 on the first day and spends rupees 15 on the next day. He again earns 20 on the third day and spends 15 rupees the fourth day. If he continues to save in this way, how soon will he have 60 rupees in hand? Very, 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 very easy and tricky as well.
no.
Option A. Okay. A is not the right answer. I said it is tricky.
A. Correct.
Answer is C.
Thought so. I did find. How come, but
C. He has to save how many? I mean, in hand, he has to have 60 rupees. After every 2 days, he will have 5 rupees.
yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
So, what you have done? 60 divided by 5, that is 12, which is completely wrong. See, the thing is, um, how many days will be needed to save or to have 40 rupees? Tell me. 16 days?
How?
See, after 2 days, although I mean, by going by your logic, I mean, this should not be 12, it should be 24, because in every 2 days, he is saving 5 rupees. So in one day, he will save 2.5 rupees.
No.
Yes
On
or
the
no?
first day, he has 20.
Yes. In
Second day, he has 15.
yes. No,
Spends
he has to.
15.
Yes. So
5 rupees is
effectively for 2 days, how many rupees he will have at the end of 2 days? 5 rupees. Yes or no? 5 rupees. Yes or no? So
Yes.
for 2 days, 5 rupees. So how many such 2 days will be needed in order to save 60 rupees? 12. So 12 into 2, it should be 24. Again, that is also wrong. Although that is wrong. Yes or no?
Yes.
Why wrong? Tell me. See, what we have to do for 40 rupees, how much days will be needed? How many days will be needed for 40? I mean, how many such, 2 days, pair of 2 days will be needed? 8. 8 into 5, 40. So 8 into 2 is 16. So at the end of 16th day, he will have 40 rupees. On the 17th day, he will have 20. So 40 plus 20, 60. Now he has, he has not to have, spend the 20 rupees, 15 rupees, because he has how many? 60 rupees now. So on the 17th day, he will have 60 rupees. So answer is 17. Understood? Yes or no? See, yes, online students, have you understood? See, the first day, tell me, first day, how many rupees he will have? 20. Second day, tell me, 15. So after 2 days, minus 15, I have to write. So he will have 5. Similarly, third day, tell me,
Again, now he has
20 plus 20.
And then
And
minus
then
15 on
again,
the fourth day.
yes, fourth day, minus 15. So again, at the end of 4th day, he'll have 10 rupees. Yes or no?
That
5 plus 5. Yes, 5 plus 5, 10. Now, how many such days, or pair of days will be needed to have 40 rupees? Why 40 rupees? Because 40 plus 20 is 60. So after having 60 rupees, he has not he will not spend. Yes or no? Because he has already have how many? 60 rupees. So now for 40 rupees, he will have how many? I mean, he will need how many pair of 2 days? 8.
8. Why?
That 8 into 5 is 40. So on 16th day, 16th day, 16th day, I mean 15th and 16th, 15th and 16th day. So tell me, 40 rupees he will have. Yes or no? How many pairs? 8 pairs. This is the first one, this is the second one, this is the eighth one. So 8 into 5, 40. Now, 17th day, he will have again 20 rupees. Yes or no? So, 17th day, he will have, tell me, plus 20. That will give you 60. Now, now he will not spend because he has already got 60. I hope it is clear. Please write it down. Yes, online students, have you understood? Answer is 17, not 24. It is not 12. Answer is 17. I hope it is clear. Okay. Please try question number 32 now. The number of 3-digit numbers which are multiple of 9. Very easy. 32. Okay. Please try to solve this one. Question number 30. 32 done. What is the answer? Question number 32. So number of The number of 3-digit numbers which are multiple of 9. Very easy. Tell me, how can we solve? Yes. See, we need to find out the first number which is multiple of which is multiple of 9, right? First 3-digit number. Tell me. 108. And then 117, and so on. Tell me the last number, last 3-digit number. 999. AP.
AP.
What is the formula? N is equal to
minus
L minus A divided by D
plus 1.
plus 1. Yes or no? What is L minus A? 80 891 divided by 9 plus 9 nines are 81. Again 9 nines are 81. Yes or no? Plus how many? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Please try question number 33. Last question. Question number 33. Or just take the screenshot and try on your own. We'll discuss in the next lecture. Thank you, everyone. Please join this lecture from 2:40 to 4:40 from tomorrow. Online students, are you? Yes. Have you understood? Please try to solve this question number 33. We'll discuss it tomorrow.